everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. I need to relax before I start filming because the excitement level right now is beyond off the roof. Beyond. I was not expecting to get a package today from the one and only, her queen herself, Huda Beauty. You guys know what this is all about, okay? I don't need to do an introduction to this box and what we have been seeing on social media right now from Huda Beauty herself. Guys, this woman is a queen. That's all I have to say. Today we're gonna dive into the new fragrance from Huda Beauty, and I'm also super excited to unbox this package with you guys. You guys, I was so excited that I did actually take a sneak peek because my heart today, I think it stopped a couple of times while I was going through this box. Literally no joke. Before I go ahead and dive into the new fragrance from Huda Beauty, if you are new here to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. And if you guys haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I would love to have you guys a part of the light family that I have here on my channel. So if you guys want to dive into and take a beautiful sniff of the new Huda Beauty Easy Bake Intense Perfume, keep on watching. Okay, let's go ahead and dive into this box right here, you guys. Like I said, I already saw what's inside this pink box and my heart just stopped. Okay, let me just open it like this so you guys can see. So obviously the box looks like this. For some reason my boxes always comes like super jacked up in the mail, so they're always like ripped from here to here, but that's okay because I already have some boxes up here on my shelf already from Huda Beauty. But this is what's inside this box. So obviously you have this right here, but this time it's a box, and this is the perfume. It is the Easy Bake Intense. To be honest, I think I lived under a rock at one point, because at one point Easy Bake Perfume existed before, but I physically did not know about. I do have to confess that on social media I did not know that Huda Beauty actually came out with an Easy Bake perfume before, and then I realized it from all the reels and the videos on social media that she actually did have an Easy Bake perfume before, and I just typically did not know about because I lived under a rock. This is the new Eau de Parfum Easy Bake Intense, and you guys, this is just, I'm just so excited about it. If you guys don't know, I'm a huge fragrance lover and I love perfumes so freaking much, and to see one of my favorite beauty brands out there to do a perfume, your girl got super duper excited. So let's go ahead and dive into this perfume. I mean, first of all, we have to look at her glory, the queen herself, Huda Beauty. She is absolutely beautiful. I just have to say that. This is rich, sexy, and addictive. Huda Beauty got me addicted a long time ago. It's not new. This is a floral gourmand, designed in Dubai, made in France. One day I will be moving to Dubai. Count my words. Never Too Much Easy Bake fragrance is back, and she's deeper, richer, and more intense than ever. Notes to this perfume: there's wild cherry, white flower, cinnamon bark and caramel milk, and vanilla Bourbon. I think that's how you spell it. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. Then this is what's left in the box, and to be honest, the box smells like the perfume. I mean, I've watched a lot of people unbox their boxes on social media and they all said that the box smelled like the perfume. And I do think that they did spray a little bit of the perfume in each box and sent them out, because honestly the box smells so heavenly. I'm not even joking. First of all, we need to start off with this. I mean, this is literally everything for me. This is so pretty. Look at this box. I think Huda Beauty has to create some sort of a different line with purses and little treasure boxes like this, because she nails it every single time. I mean, all the little details, the Huda Beauty elements, the design, the logo, the just everything about it. It is just so absolutely luxury, heavy, rich, and addictive. I do have to say that. It is true and it is right. This is how it looks like, and you guys, I am just so obsessed with this box. It is just so freaking pretty. Before I actually show you the perfume, let me show you the rest, what's in this box. So you have Easy Bake Intense air fresheners, and you get 2 of those. These are actually meant for you to put them in your closet if you want to, or even in your drawer, or even in your car, which this is what I'm gonna be doing. I'm literally going to be putting this in my car. So it is just little air fresheners like so, and it says Huda on it, and they smell so freaking good. I'm telling you, this whole box smells absolutely amazing. So I got 2 of these, and I think I need to think about it maybe a lot to know where I want to put these, to be honest. Then there is this box right here that for some reason somebody enjoyed like mushing it for me. This is literally how it arrived in the box, but it's okay, that is fine. This is the 10 ml fragrance holder and charms. I mean, yes. Let me open this up. They really jacked this box up for me. Give me 2 seconds.
2 hours later.
Okay, it took me some time to open this, to be honest. I almost like ripped the box, but this is how it looks like. This is the holder for the fragrance, and then we have the fragrance itself. This is the 10 ml perfume. I'm gonna put these together and see how this looks like. I mean, I did see it on social media, but I just kind of want to see it myself. So let's open up the perfume. This is so freaking adorable. I love the bottle. Yeah, I am just so excited, you guys. You have no idea. Oh, okay. I think it's from here. Oh, there you go. Stop it. Stop. I'm gonna be putting literally all the charms on this right now, and I'm gonna be taking these beautiful charms off. Oh my god, this is so freaking cute. It is complete. I actually added all the charms. I do have to say my favorite one is this little heart one right here, and it says beauty is self-made. It's what's written on all of her boxes when she sends us those beautiful PR boxes, and I'm obsessed. The rest are all like little Huda Beauty little charms. Look how cute this is. This is actually a little hook thing that you can hook on your purse or whatnot. That is, I cannot, you guys, like this is so beautiful. I cannot. Now it's time to show you guys the perfume in this box. So you just unlock it like this and you open it up, and ta-da! Look at this perfume. It is so beautiful. I love the packaging. I love kind of that like foggy bottle kind of vibe. It is just so freaking beautiful. It is simple. You have the Huda Beauty logo on top right here. You have all the little details at the bottom right here as well. This is the 50 ml if you guys are wondering, and I think she only made in 50 ml. Maybe she has them also in 100 ml. I am not sure, but if you know that, then you can leave it in the comments down below and let me know if there is 100 ml of this perfume. And I just honestly, I'm just out of words. It is just so beautiful. It smells so freaking good. If you guys are wondering if it smells very floral, to be honest, I find it a bit more musky than floral, if you ask me. It does have a hint of floral, but it is very, very, very discreet. I mean, that's how I see it. I definitely smell the vanilla in here. I smell the cherry a little bit, and definitely also the cinnamon bark. And I find that the flora is very in the background. You do smell it, but it's not overwhelming. So if you are not really a floral person and you're scared to get this perfume, I have to tell you, just go ahead and smell it before, because you don't smell the white flower as much in this perfume at all. And if you do, then it is so subtle, but it is so soft as well that it's super acceptable. But I do really enjoy the scent of this perfume, because it is so in the background and it is so soft that you don't really smell it. I definitely smell more the vanilla Bourbon in there, and also like the cinnamon bark as well, and the hint of caramel and also the hint of cherry, but they all blend so beautifully together that nothing like none of the notes overwhelm the other at all. They just smell so smoothly all together, and it is just so beautiful as a scent. I'm just obsessed with this perfume. It smells so freaking good. I do see myself wearing this type of perfume on the go. It is very, I would have to say, it is summery. It is intense. So for me, anything that I think about intense, I think about kind of like the night version of perfume, which is a perfume that I would wear more in the night times if I'm going out. But it is also very light and fresh at the same time, that you can still wear it daytime as well. I'm just absolutely in love with this perfume. I cannot wait to, you know, wear it and smell it and have people smell it as well. And the fact that I have it in a small size like this too, I can definitely tell people, hey, like, if you don't want to get the big one and commit to the big one, you can get yourself the small one and try it and see if you like it. Then you can go ahead and get the big one. Yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed with this. I'm obsessed with the packaging. I'm obsessed with this box. I just cannot. I am out of words. I do have to say thank you so much, Huda Beauty, for making me try your perfume, and your girl is hooked. I'm absolutely obsessed with this. I cannot stop smelling it. It smells so good, and I highly recommend that you guys give it a little sniff and see if you like it. If you do have this perfume, please let me know in the comments down below, what is your thoughts? I definitely need to know your thoughts, and I want to know if you like it or not. I absolutely love it. I do highly recommend that you do give it a try. Try to smell it if you have the chance and see if you like it, because honestly, it smells so heavenly. I can't even describe it, to be honest. Again, thank you so much to Huda Beauty, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did like my video review, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you didn't like this video, then I have many other videos on my channel that you can go ahead and watch. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you and see you in my next video. Bye!